5,
I
6,
keep you
7,
swaying till
8.
the last dance. You can be my Mary Jane. The way your eyes burn right through me, with my hands around your waist, and all the ones that came before me, well, they weren't strong enough to stay. 'Cause the truth about a cowboy is the good ones don't always ride away. And I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone, till there's no whiskey left in honky tonks, till there ain't girls and country songs and steel guitars don't play. And when that crowd forgets to we're around, and you feel like those lights ain't shining down, I'll still be here, I'll still be hanging on. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. Well, you said all good things have endings, but baby, that's just in the past. I don't care how many times you failed before, just wanna be last. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone, till there's no whiskey left in honky tonks, till there ain't girls and country songs and steel guitars don't play. And when that crowd forgets that we're around, you feel like those lights ain't shining down, well, I'll still be here, I'll still be hanging on. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. Well, these boots, they'll still be taking the lead long as you let me in these hands. Well, they'll still be laying you down till the day they lay me down. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone, till there's no whiskey left in honky tonks, till there ain't girls and country songs and steel guitars don't play. And when that crowd forgets that we're around, and you feel like those lights ain't shining down, I'll still be here, I'll still be hanging on. 'Cause I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna love you till the neon's gone.
This dance is Till the Neons Gone, choreographed by Darren Bailey. It's a 32 count 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, side together, forward, shuffle, rock forward, recover, make a quarter turn left to face 9, side chassé. Section 2, cross, side, behind, quarter turn left facing 6, step forward, pivot a half turn left, another quarter turn left to face 9, side chassé. Section 3, rock back, recover, side chassé, rock back, recover, side chassé. Last section, behind with a dip, quarter turn right to face 12, step forward, pivot half turn right facing 6, another quarter turn right to face 9, side together, sway hips right, left. Weights on your left, you're facing 9 o'clock and you start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a restart during wall 9 after 8 counts. Let me show you wall 9. It starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the end of 8 counts. On wall 9, I'm facing 9 o'clock, and I restart. Change the first 2 counts to walk forward, right, left, then the dance is as normal with the shuffle forward. And that's the whole dance.